As an SAP consultant, I've seen how technology has changed the way businesses work. The adoption of new technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and blockchain can help businesses analyze data, make better choices, and work more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss how do these technologies work and integrate with S/4HANA, and what can businesses gain from them. Artificial intelligence or AI is one of the most transformative technologies of our time. AI lets you analyze a lot of data and get insights that can help businesses make better choices. For example, a logistics company can find better routes, save fuel, and deliver faster by analyzing data from sensors on its trucks. The Internet of Things or IoT is another technology that's changing how businesses work. With IoT, businesses can collect data in real time from devices and sensors connected to the internet. When you combine this with S/4HANA, businesses can use this data to work more efficiently and provide better customer service. For example, a manufacturing company can monitor its machines with IoT sensors. S/4HANA can analyze this data to find issues before they get worse so the company can fix them faster and take less time. Blockchain is a new technology that can change how businesses work. With blockchain, businesses can record transactions and store data in a safe and transparent way. When businesses use blockchain with S/4HANA, they can create a safer and more efficient supply chain. For example, a food company can track its products from farm to table with blockchain. This can help the company work more transparently, save food, and make sure the food is safe. To summarize, new technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and blockchain can change how businesses work. Stay tuned for more insights.